Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar channel, everyone. Today, we have some incredibly exciting news coming straight from the latest updates by Intel guru Frank26. If you've been waiting for the right time to exchange your Iraqi dinar, this news is going to light up your day. So buckle up and stay tuned because this is not something you want to miss. Frank26 has recently shared that Canadian banks are gearing up to compete for your Iraqi dinar exchanges. That's right, folks. Canadian financial institutions are preparing to offer multiple options for those holding IQD, creating a very competitive environment. This could potentially mean better rates, more convenience, and faster processing times for anyone looking to exchange their currency. Now, think about this for a second. Canada has some of the strongest banks in the world, and when they enter a competitive market, you can expect them to bring innovation and aggressive offers to attract customers. Frank26 emphasizes that Canadians have a powerful financial network, and this is the perfect scenario for anyone holding Iraqi dinar to benefit. He also reassured viewers that you don't need to panic or rush into anything right now. The best action, according to him, is simply to research which Canadian banks exchange foreign currency. A simple Google search can guide you to the top banks in your area. And once the market opens up fully, these banks will compete, giving you more options and possibly better rates than ever before. Frank26 is also pointing out that this isn't limited to just one or two banks. He mentioned that hundreds of private banks in Canada could get involved, each trying to outdo the other. That means this isn't just a minor update. It's a major development in the dinar community. Competition breeds opportunity. And this could be a game changer for IQD holders in Canada. One exciting detail Frank26 shared is that Canadians won't have to worry about the usual delays or limited availability. The system is expected to handle significant volumes, making it more accessible for the average person. If you've been waiting for a smoother, faster, and potentially more profitable exchange, this could be exactly what you've been waiting for. Imagine this: Canadian banks offering competitive rates, increased options, and fast service. It's almost like a mini financial revolution for anyone holding Iraqi dinar in Canada. And the best part? You don't need insider knowledge or connections. Just keep yourself updated and ready to act when the market opens. Frank26 also stresses patience. He warns against rushing into exchange without understanding which banks are offering the best deals. The advantage of competition is that you have the power as the customer. The more you compare, the better your chances of maximizing your IQD exchange. This development is huge because it signals international recognition of the Iraqi dinar. Canadian banks entering the market indicates confidence and seriousness about handling IQD, which could influence other markets as well. Frank26 believes that this is a positive step toward a stronger and more liquid exchange environment. For those who have been hesitant or skeptical, this is proof that change is coming. The Dinar RV community has long awaited opportunities like this, and now it's starting to unfold. It's an exciting moment where preparation meets opportunity. Frank26 also encourages viewers to stay informed daily. Keep checking news updates, financial reports, and discussions from trusted sources like him. Awareness is the key here. The more you know, the more prepared you are to act when the competition heats up. He also highlights that this competitive environment will likely create more transparent rates. With multiple banks vying for customers, you're less likely to encounter restrictive policies or lowball offers. Essentially, the market is leveling up for everyone. Frank26's insights point out that Canadians have a strong advantage here. With a robust banking system, easy access to information, and competitive offerings, anyone in Canada holding IQD could be in for some exciting opportunities. It's a matter of being ready to make your move. This news is particularly important for those who hold large amounts of dinar or are looking to exchange strategically. Having multiple Canadian banks compete could mean better profit potential, and it's something that hasn't been widely available until now. Frank26 emphasizes that the timing is perfect. While nothing is instant, the preparation phase is already underway. By researching banks now, you set yourself up to act fast when the competition starts in full swing. He also reassures viewers that this is entirely legitimate and above board. These banks are regulated institutions, and there's no reason to worry about scams or unreliable offers. The competitive environment is structured to benefit customers, not trick them. Another key point Frank26 makes is that patience will be rewarded. This isn't a rush you into it scenario, waiting for banks to fully roll out their IQD exchange options while staying informed is the most strategic approach. He also shares that Canadians should look for banks that provide clear online services. Banks that offer online IQD exchange options will likely be the frontrunners in this competition. Convenience will be a significant factor in choosing the best bank. Frank26 suggests that those watching closely could even leverage the competition. If one bank offers a slightly better rate or faster service, you can act immediately. That's the beauty of a competitive market. It empowers the customer. It's also a reminder that the global dinar scene is evolving. Canadian banks stepping in may encourage other international banks to consider IQD, creating a ripple effect. This could gradually increase liquidity and options for dinar holders worldwide. For anyone new to the scene, this is a golden opportunity to understand how banking competition works in favor of the customer. Observing, learning, and being ready to act is crucial. Frank26's message is simple: knowledge plus timing equals advantage. In conclusion, this is an exciting time for anyone involved in the Iraqi dinar. Canadian banks competing for IQD exchange could mean better rates, faster services, and more options than ever before. Staying informed, researching banks, and being patient are your best strategies moving forward. So, keep an eye on trusted sources like Frank26, stay updated on Canadian bank offerings, and be ready to take action when the competition heats up. This is a story that will continue to develop, and being prepared could make a significant difference for anyone holding Iraqi dinar in Canada. Remember, this is not financial advice, but it is critical information for anyone interested in IQD exchange opportunities. Stay alert, stay informed, and make the most of the competition that's coming your way.